Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So dear friends, as we have completed the projection of points topic over there, now it is the time to proceed for the projection of straight lines. So that is the basic topic, projection of points. So then only you can understand the projection of straight lines over here. I have completed those videos. I have just shared the link in the description box. You can avail those videos also, so that it will become crystal clear for you people to understand the projection of straight lines over there. So in order to understand the projection of straight lines, I have make a model, 3D model, that is, you can see over here. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. I hope it is visible to you people. So if I simply draw the 2D figure over here, then to understand these concepts, it is very difficult. So I have taken this 3D model so that it will be easy for you people to understand these cases over here in the straight lines. Let's proceed with the first one. If you just check here, this is the line is parallel to both HP and VP. So in order to understand this in the 3D model, so how can I just make you people understand how to draw this particular case over here. So line is parallel to both HP and VP. So this is the case, like this is the line which is parallel to HP and parallel to VP, right? So this line is parallel to HP, parallel to HP, and parallel to VP over here, right? So this is the case. Suppose line is here and this is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. Now you have to draw it as front view and top view. So if you are looking from the front, so you are looking from, suppose here, so what will be its projection? So it will be the shadow, the line, shadow of the line will be on the VP. So it will be a line on VP over here. So it will be its front view, right? So when you are looking from the top upside, you are looking from upper side, so it will be again a line but on the HP over here. So we can easily draw the front view and top view for this particular case. So let me draw first the top view and front view of this particular case over here, right? So let us start. So I just draw a roughly diagram here. Rest of the things you can do. So in order to draw the front view and top view, you have to draw the two projector lines over here, which should be perpendicular to the plane. That is, you should draw slide perpendicular lines, so that you can draw a front view and top view for the lines over there, right? So let me take the another pen over here so that it will be visible for you people to draw the front view and top view. So the line is parallel to both HP and VP, as I have shown to you people on the 3D model how it comes. So it is front view will be on the upper side as a line. So I can just draw the line over here. So this will be your front view, which is represented as A dash and B dash. So front view is always denoted by the dashes over there, right? So next, its top view is on the below side of the reference line. So its top view will be on the lower side, that is A and B simply, right? So this is the first case over here. Then second case, we'll try to understand it in the 3D model over here. Then only we can proceed for the top view and front view over there, right? This is the 3D model. Now the second case is line is on both HP and VP. So it is in, suppose this line is in HP, VP is here. So how can I just imagine this line is on both HP and VP? So it means it is here, it is in HP and in VP also, right? So it is exactly on the reference line, that is XY line is the reference line. So this case, it can be easily said that this line is on both HP and VP over there. I hope you are understanding this case over here. So what is the front view? If you are looking from the front, so it will be line on the reference plane. When you are looking from the top side, then only it becomes line on the same reference line. So it is front view and top view will be on the XY line over there, right? So let us draw this front view and top view for this case over here. So this is your reference line XY. Same, you have to draw the projectors, vertical projectors. Now I am drawing roughly over here, right? So your front view and top view is on the reference line. So this is your front view. You can just make it A dash and B dash. Also top view is in the same reference line. So below side you just write AB. So this becomes your what we call the second case over here. So this is the line which is the front view and top view in this particular case. So this is the second case, right? Now we just proceed for the third case. with the help of a 3D model. Line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now the case is line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. This is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP, right? I hope it is visible to you people. This line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, right? Now what is it is front view. If you are looking from this side, this will be definitely the line on the VP, so it is front view will be on the vertical plane. Now if you are looking from the top, you will just observe when you are looking from the top, it will be a point, right? You will not be able to see the whole line. You will just see the point over here, right? So this is the point. So it is top view will be on the point, will be the point on the horizontal plane, and it is front view will be the line on vertical plane. So it is, let us draw the front view and top view now. So third case here, I just proceed. So this is your reference line XY, right? So draw the project lines slide. You should use the 0.2 pencil over here. So for the what we call the dark line, you should use the 0.7 pencil over there, right? 0.7 is the best one to draw these diagrams over here. Now what is it is what we call the front view. Front view is the line, right? So no need to draw the two projectors here, only you can draw one over here, right? So only one line you can draw, so that your front view will be the line on the vertical plane. So I will draw that particular line. This is your line, that is A dash B dash is your front view, and on the top view you are just observing the point which is on the horizontal plane. So below the reference line you have to draw it top view, so that will be somewhere here. So that will be your A by B, that is both points you have to show on only this particular point, right? So as you are not able to see the whole line over there, only you can draw the points A and B from the top side over here. This is the top view and this is front view. So this is third case over here, right? So third case. Now we have to proceed for the fourth case. Let's understand first. So line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So this will be the case over here in the 3D model. Line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, right? I hope it is clear to you people. This is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP over here. Now what is its front view? When you are observing from the front, so it will be a point on the what we call as front view. So when you are observing from the top, from here side, so it will be a line on the HP. So its top view becomes the line and front view becomes the point over here, right? So let us draw. It is totally the opposite case of third one. So let us draw it. This is your reference line XY. Now the top view was the point in the third case. Now the top view is the line on the fourth case over here. So you can easily draw this point over here. This is A dash B dash. It is top view will be the line. Suppose somewhere here I will draw it. This is your A and B is your top view. So it is totally opposite of the third case, right? So we have completed the fourth case. I hope it is understood to you all people over there, right? Now the fifth case comes here. What is the fifth case? Line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now try to understand this in 3D model. Line is inclined to HP. So this is HP. So this was the parallel to HP, perpendicular to HP. Now it is inclined to HP. So it is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. It is same parallel to VP, right? Inclined to HP is like that, and this is always parallel to the VP. Now when you are observing from the front, what you are seeing, you are seeing a line which will be here on the VP, inclined line you will see over here. Now when you are looking from the top, so you will see the line is parallel to HP but it is inclined, so this will not be visible fully over there. So you have to draw the reduced length over there. Let me show you. First of all, you have to draw the inclined line. Front view is clear, right? So this is your front view will be the inclined line on the VP and top view will be the reduced length, right? Try to imagine these things and try to make this 3D model in your home so that you will easily understand these concepts over there, right? So let me draw its front view and top view now. The fifth case is this. So this is your reference line try to draw the vertical projectors now. Line is inclined, right? You are seeing the line in the front view as inclined line over there. This is your inclined line. A dash B dash is your front view. Now in the top view you are seeing the line over there, parallel line, which will be the reduced length of the original line over here. So this will be somewhere here, your top view. So A and B, this is its top view over here, right? So in the sixth case is just line is inclined to HP and in the VP. First of all, we will try to understand this. What is the case? So line is inclined to HP and in the VP. Inclined to HP means this, inclined to HP, but in the VP, right? Line is inclined to HP in the VP. In the VP means it is in the VP but inclined to HP over here, right? So when you are looking from the front over here, so let me show you first. You are looking from the front, right? So the line will be on the top view, will be on the upper side, and it is it is front view is in the VP line. Its top view will be on the reference line over here, not below the reference line. Just because horizontal plane is here, we are not rotating it below, so this becomes your top view on the reference line, right? Let me draw the front view and top view for this particular case. So this is your reference line XY. So its front view will be the inclined line, right? Now this becomes your what we call the case 6 over here. The top view will be on the XY line, that is reference line. I have shown it on the 3D model, and also its front view will be on the vertical plane, that is A dash B dash will be your front view, that is inclined line when you are observing in the 3D model over there, right? So if you just see, the seventh case is just totally opposite of fifth case. So in the fifth case, line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, right? In the seventh case, it is inclined to VP. It was inclined to HP. It is inclined to VP and parallel to HP, and this is parallel to VP. So this is totally opposite. Fifth is the totally opposite case of seventh over here. So you can observe also in the figure, its front view. A dash B dash and AB is the top view on the lower side of the XY line. And for the seventh case, the top view, if you are observing in the fifth case, it will be the front view of the seventh case, A dash B dash, and this is AB line, which is inclined. So totally opposite. These cases are totally opposite. Same like sixth and eighth case are totally opposite now, right? So if you just observe here, line is inclined to HP, so inclined to HP, and in the eighth case inclined to VP, right? And this is in HP and this is in the VP, so it is opposite case of, you can just remember in this format also. So sixth case, if the front view is in on the upper side of the XY line, it will be on the below side of the XY line in the eighth case, and AB is on the reference line, it will be the same AB, but it will be its front view now, while in the sixth case it was the top view on this particular side, right? So these are the 8 cases which you should remember, which you should practice over there, so that it becomes easy for you people to remember these cases, which are the most important ones. Now the ninth one, which is the most important one, line is inclined to both HP and VP. So we will make just separate video for this case, which is the most important one, and you will appear it will be just the most important case as far as the examination point of view is concerned over there. VTU examination, you will just see this case most of the times, it is repeating over there, right? So we will just make a separate video for it. So thanks for watching my video, and if you are new to my channel, so subscribe my channel.